During the last census we had
ni mucemanio uria ukurehete hamwe amwe aria marari anyitite githurano-ini kihituku ari ni hamwe na kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC, kamiti ya urumwe na wiguano bururi-ini NCIC gatagati kage, kamiti ya kuruirira ihoto cia muingi ikiruguria riboti ya uria githurano kihituku giatabanirio. Giki ari kimwe kia ikundi iria ciamurikaga wihaririria wa kamiti ya IEBC mbere ya githurano gia tariki 9 gitabanitio.
But I want to say that NCSK believes in human rights and the human rights of everyone, and the human rights especially of the weak.
While making this conclusion, we however find that the elections held in 2022 were comparatively, in relation to past elections, more efficient and transparent, and with fewer human rights violations. So we found these elections to have been more efficient.
Ona gutuika makinya maria bururi wa niukinyukitie ari gutabania ithurano na njira ya waragania ni makurikanite. Mwikirigiti wa kamiti no Roslyn Odede ni agwetete kuguoyohio kwa maafitha IEBC mageria ma wishi wa kura ithurano-ini ari mamwe ma maria mafutie kung'ethanirwo namo mbere ya githurano kia mwaka wa 2027.
The commission noted with great concern the rising trend of blatant disruption of the election process and the incidences of violence against IEBC officials at the constituency and national tallying centers. The law allows for aspirants through their agents to observe the counting and tallying process.
It is myopic to consider these highlighted incidents as threats to the Commission only. By any description, these are attacks on our electoral and democratic process, and there is an urgent need for action that will prevent such occurrences in future. Free, fair and credible elections cannot be attained in an environment where the referee is under siege to concede independence and impartiality.
Andu milioni 22 nio mandikithitio taikia akura ni kamiti ya IEBC mbere ya githurano, no hakuhi andu milioni 8 matianyitire itemi mihang'o-ini ya wikia wa kura. Ikundi ici kiendekithia uthuthuria wa kwenjera gitumi giki.
Areas that still need reform and or attention include voter education, voter apathy turnout, how do we improve that? Voter registration, need to ease the transfer of vote. A lot of people do not vote because their votes are stuck in regions that they have since moved out of, so the need to ease the process of transferring the vote.
Omwe wa maundu maria ikundi ici ciendekithitie kuri kamiti ya IEBC ni kwariragira mibango ya githurano tene o uria kwahoteka niguo gutigirira ukinyaniru wa ithurano miaka yukite. Giribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Washege.